Hi guys, I'm standing outside Slikhaar studio with Mette and Valentine. Mette, what are you gonna cut today?
Today we're going for Michael Grey from Peaky Blinders inspired cut.
Let's get to it.
Hi guys, I'm Valentine, I'm from Moldova, I'm 20 years old and I study value chain management in VIA University College. Nice to be here in Slikhaar studio.
And maybe get you to laugh. I did get some attention from the girl right next to you. Then all my friends saw me fleeing for my life. Steam blood, steam blood. I gotta run, run, run. I gotta run, run, run. I gotta steam blood. There's love and then there's steam blood. That feeling when you wake up in the morning and you can't live without it. It's not just love, it's steam blood. Yeah, baby. Here we go. Turn it up. Don't dare turn it down.
And we're done with the hairstyle. So Valentine, what do you think about the hairstyle?
It's perfect, I really like it.
That's amazing. So Mette, how did you do it?
I made a taper fade on the sides and in the neck, and then I just kept the length on the top and made some nice waves.
That's amazing. As always, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the hairstyle. Like the video and be a subscriber to the channel, and you can be part of the secret giveaway for free nice by Vilain hair products. Until then, see you guys next time.